Hello, everyone. Today I'm gonna play some flood escape. And floody escape. Floody escape. Let me just accept this. Let me just. Oh crap! Oh god. Wait. Oh god. This is what happens when you don't listen to your mother. I'm just kidding. Oh my god. Oh fuck. You know, no. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Very sorry. So, the British jump got a friend, but today we are playing for escaping. I didn't talk on the last one. Because I was like, I didn't want to. No. Notifications. Accept. Ignore. Okay, that's all I need. Do show. We're gonna play over. So today we're gonna play this show. As you know, last video I was playing on whatever you call it, Start Fighting on Heights. I love that game, but when I realized when I was looking in chat, I found someone named 2x33. Do not play that game at 10 the time I played it. I specifically say just don't play it at night. Like, not the heck. I don't know. So today my goal is to get at least 12 wins, and no. Okay, I can escape this. This is easy. Okay. Watch, I'm gonna fall. Watch. Okay. It's very easier to yo-yo. Yes, I had many other accounts. Skill for Rebecca, Chancy that girl, Kelly that girl. Many. Just really many. Extended Reddit. And I love this game. So, oh god dang it. Oh no. Forgot that. Oh yes, get it. Yes, for me. So, I'm gonna get this button for him. Okay, now we're gonna go here. Bada bing, bada boy, bada bung. This is easy. Bada bing, bada boy, bada bung. Hopefully he gets the game. Oh no, don't you dare fall. You fell. Okay, oh I hate this map. Okay, can I make this? This would be a world record for me, like if I made this. Like, no one can make this alone. Yes, I got here on time. And I gotta go with here, jump on 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 here. Get that. Possibly I can make this, but I feel like I'm not. I can't. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to. It's like, oh my god. Here. Oh my god, I might make it, guys. I might make it. Okay, 1v1 this is 1 cheer. No, yes. This is easy. This. Beautiful. Yes, I did run alone, everyone. I did run alone. I have 5. Estoy haciendo un video. Estoy haciendo un video.
Ok, mija, está bien.
No.
Gracias a Dios.
Now, okay. So guys, today oh my god, it's because my Theo is taking care of me. Oh my god, that was so cool. He's taking care of me today. You're a little weird. Dude, you can just jump up here. Ugh. What I do is I just jump on here and then I just jump up here and then you're done. Like, how am I good at this girl? I'm just so pro. Okay, she's okay. And hit. I go hit. She's actually a good helper. Not if she just like ditches me and like does this and then leaves me. That would not be a good helper. But she got the button for me, so like I always do this and like I always drown like and I like, oh, yay, she died. And then they all die. I did this alone, so I could probably do this if I swear if you get the button I hate you. I will hate you if you get the button. No! Okay, well. I don't know why she's thinking, oh my god, no, wait, no! I'll play it off. She's probably gonna fail, so. Well, let's hope she fails. Bruh. You didn't even get the green one in you, little. She's just gonna use the gravity card, she's gonna fail at this, because. Oh, well. She's gonna fail at this. How did you? Oh, whatever. She's not gonna. Fail. No! Okay. Wow, just press one button. Oh my god. You see, that's how easy this is. The game has ended, because, like, she's so easy. Hopefully we don't get the same maps, because I like the one that you have to, like, jump in and do it, or, like, that locked up one. I like that one. Tweet me, Crazy Box Dev, would have it if you don't tweet you. Huh? Go ahead, baby! Oh, same map. Okay, so this is pretty easy. But I would not recommend having a yo-yo on this map because you just. Well, I recommend a yo-yo if you're a helper. If you're like just trying to go for it, no, I don't recommend you having a yo-yo at all. Someone can get the time. Thank you, she's a helper. You see, that's how she like having the yo-yo. Now I better get to this because it's a chopper, and I have to not die. The water barely just started, so I would probably die because the water is probably like it is really fast. So you keep starting up here, and it just started. They're like all waiting for me, like, I don't know, you have the time. Oh my god, I said. That was fun. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until someone gets that button. Yeah. Maybe so. But let's hopefully, like, don't fall. Okay. And with this, I wanna get it. There's so much lag in this game. Oh my god, I almost fell there. Can you like grab it? Okay, sorry to make sound effects. Yeah, you get the button. Gonna make the sound. Never mind. Okay. Okay, that was a close. No. Yes. Now I get to be one winner. Yes. Yay. I know. Can I escape? Yeah. 6 people. 6 more wins and I can get to a goal. Alright, understand. So only I can run. You can't run in this game. Like, you can't run. Literally, you can't run. which one? I just wanna go here. I just wanna like escape fast. Like, I don't care if I take the one. I really like taking this short window. I say, did she die? No. Okay, I like the people. Oh my god. Is it just? Oh my god. Guess. Can you guess? He's probably not gonna be able to do it. I'm just gonna look back at him. You were a great man to look up. No, you weren't. You are like all rude. Probably. I'll guess they're rude. They always like annoying you. Is he gonna die or what? Oh, what? Whatever. Anyway. Hey, yes, this one. Okay. You better get that button. Put it. Don't worry, I got it. Okay. Yeah. No. Oh my god. Hey, I'm making a video.
Huh?
I'm making a video.
Where's Mom?
She just took to buy stuff.
She what?
She went to buy stuff. Now let me record. Okay, so. Yeah, maybe. Something. I don't know. This is it. Okay. I'm going to try the one over here. You don't even guess. Maybe I would be the last one. Go get that button. No. He left them. Yes. Yes. Now shut up because I'm trying to record. Okay, yes. Okay. I got this. Okay, so hiya. Hopefully this guess can help me. Yes, good guess. Yay, guess did nice. Yes. Now I'm gonna give this guess the favor back and oh no! Well, wait. Oops. I don't feel like going on hard. Why is it on a guess? Oh my god. Guess. It's a guess. How is it guess? What? Game has ended. Your life is useful. No. Gonna just, I wonder if you like stay like up here. There we go. You just like stay up here. There you go. Dude. I'm gonna try doing this in first person mode. Only first person. First person mode is very hard to do at first. And there's the button. Yeah. Ready, 4 players. Who died? Probably oh, guess who died? Or maybe we got 2 guess you saved my life. I love you. Guess. Thank you. Guess you saved my life. You're a good peasant. Oh, get it. I have to get this one. I know you guys are a bit. So, just chance to get that. Oh my god! Get the button. You're kidding me. No, okay. No. Yes! Okay, that was so close, guys. Can I make it? No, I'm probably not gonna make it. Hoi, yes! Yes, I made it! I'm so close. This is it. I get this button. Oh my god, if you're gonna get the button, go there first. You get that one and I'll get over here. And I'll get the button over here. And you can go get that button. Go get the button. Go get the stuff. Oh my god. You are so stupid. You need to get that button. Dumb. Okay, this is dumb. I just said it to him and he is really dumb now. I don't understand why he's so dumb. This is why I hate playing Plus Escape. Because no one is like smart. They're all dumb. Like they're all dumb. I knew it was gonna be dumb. Like, oh, what? Why is one of your legs like sandy? Did you get surgery, woman? Yes! No! Well, please, coming down. And everyone is coming up here. I gotta be kidding me. You dumb. You be smart. Why can't you be smart? I'm just going down. I don't really care. This is why you don't ever. We are stuck here because of you. Oh, turn that fool. Yes! Stupid! No! Oh god, guys. Oh no. Oh no. I am starting and no. Go, 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 go. You know. Yay. I entered it. Get that taste up. I gotta get this button. I gotta be cutie at this stuff. Go, 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 go. Yep. I'll get it done. No. Oh no, I died. Okay, well, that was done. Are you already in? Okay. So I usually did all the work, so okay. Here. Oh god, it. It's really at the button. Okay. It's going to be it, but I prefer jumping up on here. So. No! Hi. Come to what? Come to your deck? I don't like this game. It's just to be beginner there. Yeah, I'm reporting the game. And you know what? I'm just gonna report it. No, report the game. They are all assholes because they are. Legitimate. Thanks for your report. I don't care. I have like a meaning to this. Mr. Fellow, you better die. Ha! You can't get up there. Yes, you died. Second. Pin dot. The pin dot here, they caught my face. I don't have any hackers here. Awesome, go. What? What? Why you join me? Well, hello, Mandy. I am recording. Hello, Mandy. I'm recording. Get it? Mandy, get it? Get the button, please. Open. Jump! Yes. Okay. Jump over here. Jump over here. I like this one over here. It's cooler. And then I'm recording stuff. Hopefully no one goes crazy that I just mentioned I'm recording because everyone was like, hi YouTube, hi you. Hello. So, what to do? Oh yeah, it's just a thing. Okay, you gotta get that thing. I cannot. Are you wreck? Yes. I am recording. So, I am recording, so. Oh, why'd you die? Hurry up. Gimme. Can I do this? Yes! I did it! Oh my god, I did it. I actually did it. Oh my god. I didn't know how to do that. Oh no. No. Who is Hello Molly? Hello is hello. Dumbass. No. Get over there. Yes! No! Well guys, that's the end. I need to stop recording. Also give Awesome Girl a shout out. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel, but just check on her thing. So, it's the end of the video, so bye! Because I want to eat my Oreos.